Alright, little man. We're gonna do this. We are gonna do this. I've saved you from that awful staircase, and now I'm videotaping it for fun. I really hope I don't get ran over by a car. That sure would be unfortunate, and neither do you. It's the last thing you know. Oh. All right there, buddy. I know. Ah! No, away from the road. Away from the road. You can't go that way. People are looking at me like I'm crazy right now. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know. All right, come on. You gotta go the other way. You better not get in that road. Fine, you know what? You're gonna get ran over. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're not helping. All right. All right. All right, little buddy. There you go. Best of luck to you, man. Good luck.